Hello everyone, today we're back for day number 2 of building a turret or something out of the 501st Clone Trooper Battle Pack. Today, I'm going to continue on the build, but I decided I'm going to make this into the the AV7 cannon from the Clone Wars. I think this is what it was designed to be, so I personally believe I can make a really large one out of the pieces here. I've been thinking about it all day, it's all I've been thinking about. I think I can get it to work decently, so we're gonna tear apart these for the most part. We might keep the bottoms or whatever, but I have an idea now, so that's good. It's a great start. Okay, so what I started with is making these little cylinder pieces, because in the other model they have a half circle on each side to where it connects into the middle. So I was thinking if I could at least get the circles on that and connect them up, I can make something like this. So this is where I'm at currently. I might move the slopes in, because in the actual set it goes a full like half circle with the slopes. I don't know how I'll be able to do that with this, but so far it does look good. The legs will be in more, they'll push out a little bit. I think it will look pretty decent, so I'm going to stick with this and we'll keep going from here. Okay, so there's a little part on the side which has a little slope with the two extra spring-loaded turret pieces, whatever. I tried to replicate that, and I think I did it pretty good, which we will leave off for day number 2 with the redesign, and I think this works really well. I'll show you right now. Okay, here's what I came up with for the side design. I personally like this a lot. I'm going to start replicating it on the other side. I'll come back to you if I have any other design flaws or thingies that I'll work up with this. But for right now, I'm going to leave this side at that, and then we'll try to work on the other side and maybe design a little bit of this to leave it off for today. But yes, we've made progress, and we're going to go a little bit further. Okay, here it is, replicated on both sides, and it looks very good. I think I'm going to start in the middle now, try to build that up a bit. And yes, this is definitely a large improvement on the smaller model, and this is working really well. I might just need to beef it up a little bit, especially downwards. So let's work on that. Okay, this is where I think I'm going to leave it today, but before we do that, I'm just going to show you what I designed. So I designed the legs to have the little motions so you can swivel it, and this is like the maximum range. I think that's a perfect range, and if you need to, you can move it a little bit more, and it looks very good on the sides. The bottoms might need a little bit more work, but still I added a little bit of connections to them to make those look a little bit better. Sadly, there's like the little tooth pieces, so it looks like a little bit like a face, but that's okay. It's not that bad. But yeah, I'm going to leave that at day number 2. Come back tomorrow for day number 3.